This is Mr. Nazarian. Today's lesson, perform operations with multi-digit whole numbers. 5th grade standard, numbers base 10, B7. Talara creates paintings and sells them at a Saturday market. She sells her small paintings for $48 each and her large paintings for $78 each. She sold 3 large paintings and twice as many small paintings. How much money did Talara make? All right, you got this, everybody. Go ahead and solve for this problem to figure out how much money Talara made. Go ahead. All right, so we've read the problem. We've identified the question, right, which is how much money did Talara make? So we want to know the total amount of sales that Talara had, how much money she made at this Saturday market. So we're going to identify what information here is going to help us solve this problem. So, she creates paintings, sells on Saturday market. That's great. It's not necessarily going to help us find the solution to this problem. So I'm not going to circle that. She sells her small paintings for $48 each. Okay, so that's important. Her small paintings are $48 each. That seems like that's going to be important information. And her large paintings are for $78 each. Also useful information. She sold 3 large paintings and twice as many small. Okay. So, first of all, I know that she sold 3 large paintings. And I know that her large paintings sell for $78 each. So that tells me that she gets $78 for 1 large painting, but she sold 3, so it's going to be 3 times as much for the amount that for all the large paintings that she sold, which is 3. So I know I'm going to do that. Now, this other part, though, it tells me that the small paintings are $48 each, but it doesn't directly, explicitly tell me how many small paintings she sold. But it indirectly does, because it tells me here that there's twice as many small paintings as large paintings that are sold. And since they did tell me that there's 3 large paintings sold, then I can just figure, well, what's twice of 3? And that's going to be 6, right? If she sold 3 large paintings and twice as many small paintings, twice as many as 3 is 6. So now I can say that $48 per small painting that she got is going to be multiplied by 6 because there's 6 small paintings that she sold. Now I'm going to multiply each one of these separately. I have $48 times 6. I'm going to do standard algorithm. 6 times 8 is going to be 48. Carry the 4. And then 6 times 4 is going to be 24. Plus that 4 is going to be 28. So she made $288 just from selling those 6 small paintings. Then, over here to the large paintings, there's 3 of those that she sold. So, standard algorithm again. I'm going to do 3 times 8 is 24, carry the 2. And 3 times 7 is going to be 21, plus the 2 is going to be 23. So, she makes $234 just in those 3 large paintings that she sold. So, again, going back to the question, how much money did Talara make? And so that's all together because she sold all of those paintings, the large ones and the small ones. So I'm going to add these 2 amounts up. So I've got 288 plus 234. And I'm just going to add from right to left. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 8 plus 3 plus 1 is also 12. Carry the 1. And then I've got 1 plus 2 plus 2 is going to give me 5. So that's going to give us a grand total of $522 is how much money Talara made on that Saturday market from selling her paintings. All right, so we're going to work on these kind of problems tomorrow. I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.